Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I will show you how to design social media poster in Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Start by giving our project a name. So we are going by these settings. Excellent. When you are done with this, you click create. Alright, let me zoom out a bit. So first thing we are going to do is to go to our gallery. Then we are going to insert this image. Hold Shift and Alt on your keyboard to scale it. When you are done, you click OK. Fantastic. Awesome. So what we are going to do next is to start with our text. Click T on your keyboard and start typing. So I'm going to use this font. Then I'm going to increase the size to something around 35, 36. Excellent. So press Alt on your keyboard to duplicate it. Type your word, engage. When you are done, click mark. Drag it to this side. Hold and drag to duplicate this. Then double tap on it to edit it and type. Awesome. When you're done, click OK. When you're done, click OK. And drag it to this side. Select the three layers. Then we are going to align it properly. Awesome. So we are going to do is to rearrange the layers. So follow these settings. Awesome. Click on the first one. Go to this side. Then click on drop shadow. Then follow these settings. This is the color code that I use. And follow these settings to achieve this result. When you are done, click OK. Awesome. So press Alt on your keyboard, then drag it to this side. Drag the effect on the rest. Hold Alt and drop. Awesome. Press T on your keyboard again. Let's type another thing. T on your keyboard, tap. Press T on your keyboard. Then let's type. change the size. Awesome. When you are done, click OK. When you are done, click OK. Awesome. So the next thing we are going to do, click 3 on your keyboard. Now we are going to type this. So I'm going to use this font, this particular font. Then I'm going to change the color code. I'm going to change it to this. This is the color code. Red. Click OK. Even on our keyboard, I'm going to scale it up a bit. Drag it to this side. Awesome. So I'm going to arrange this I'm going to bring it down. All these parts. Select all the text. Then I'm going to drag it to this side. And as you can see, our design is cool and it's looking fine. The next thing we are going to do is to go to our gallery. Then we are going to drag. Let's start with this. I'm going to place it here. So I'm going to change the blending option to screen. Awesome. So to make our work look organized, I'm going to select the text and I'm going to group them. Select all the text, group them, Ctrl G, then I will name it text. One more thing, click here. I'm going to create a new layer. Then I'm going to press P on our keyboard. This is the color that I use for this. This is the color code. So I'm going to tab on this, and the flow is already in 31, so you can follow the settings to achieve this. I'm tabbing it 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want to create a light effect at that side, so that's why I'm doing that. I'm changing the blending option to screen. Awesome. And click V on our keyboard. So the next thing we are going to do is to go to our gallery again. So let's drag this in. Let's drag it in, drop it here. So click OK. Go to select, and I'm going to select subject. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, to share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And if you have any question, let me know at the comment section. Thank you. So we are going to click on mask. Then we are going to convert this to smart object. We are going to scale it down. Hold Alt and Shift on your keyboard to do that. Then rotate it a bit. Hold Alt and Shift on your keyboard to scale it down. Then we're going to rotate it a bit, exactly like this. Drag it to this side. Awesome. Control, we mark, click on mark. Control J on our keyboard to duplicate it. Then we're going to drag it to this side. Control, press Shift and Alt on your keyboard. Then we are going to scale it down a bit. Exactly like it. Awesome. Then go to Edit, go to Transform, then flip horizontal. Exactly. So drag it to this side. So click on this one, then go to Filter, go to Blur, go to Gaussian Blur. Then let the radius be at 10. Then click Create when you are done. Click OK. Awesome. So the last thing we are going to do is to go to our gallery. Then I'm going to drag this in. Awesome. Click OK. So I'm going to change the blending option to this linear bond to give it this effect that is there. As you can see, my work is looking fine and awesome. Alright guys, and with this we come to the end of today's tutorial. Thanks for watching this tutorial to the end. Don't forget to like, to share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment section. Keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. I will see you in my next video, and bye for now.